Doing some tests for some vanities and storage cabinets for the bathroom in the office here. We're trying to put a cabinet together that has no screws, and it's pretty big. And it's made out of different texture materials, different edge bending thickness. So there's like multiple little issues, but it's fun. There we go. I said the deck. And this is crucial, like at the end, it just goes. You could squeeze on the other wall as well. But if you don't put it here, when the tenon goes in, if it's on the other side, it might squeeze out, right? When the tenon, because the machining of the tenon is on the outside, it keeps all the glue inside. And now, one thing that's very important. You see, right now the back could go this way in the tenon, and it could go this way as well. But you have the holes for the pins. Right. So it because of those holes, it goes only one way. Because if I put it the wrong way, the holes are perfectly in line, right? On the side and on the back. If I flip it the wrong way, the back is going to be either off or the top or the bottom. We have 11 and 3/8. 11 and 3/8. Let's see the other way. This is the first one. No, there's one here. And these are not all the way through because they were drilled from the side that got the machining. Right. So now it should have been adjusted a little bit deeper. The router bit that did the 5mm holes should have gone a little bit deeper into the material. But it didn't. That's why some of them are punched through, some of them are not. Yeah. No. Don't spread it everywhere. Keep it towards the back. Right. Where we want to, because if I spread in the front as well, one, I'm going to make the glue too thin, so it might not touch everywhere. And two, I don't really want it to glue here or here. There we go. Now, line it up there. There we go. Yeah. Okay. What is the goal here? To make this cabinet as heavy as possible. And then we're going to see who can lift it with one hand. Okay, let's see. Yeah, go to the bottom. I'm going to put one here too. Why not? It's going to look better on camera if it has a lot of clamps. You see how handy the rack comes in right now? They were one next to the other, and when you want to lift one, someone gets caught. In case you're wondering how a cabinet looks like when you're overdoing it with clamps, this is how it looks. It's just because the only place where we can put screws is at the deck here in the back. Everything else is visible. We did it not the way we usually do them. So the material that has been used for the interior of the cabinet, it's actually the material that's for the outside. And I'm going to explain to you like differences and why we do what we do the way we do it. Because this ain't it. It's just a test something to cut, to edge bend, assemble, and put it in the room. That's all it is. And it's going to end up in the garbage probably.